Daily comfort at home is shaped by how well a space manages light, temperature, and usability. Windows play a major role in this experience, and certain window styles go beyond basic function to truly enhance how a room feels. For homeowners in Washington, bay windows are a popular upgrade because they add space, natural light, and versatility, elements that significantly improve everyday comfort in living areas. Bringing in more natural light throughout the day, bay windows extend outward from the home and typically include multiple window panels angled to capture sunlight from different directions. This design allows more daylight to enter a room compared to flat windows. In Washington living spaces, increased natural light makes rooms feel brighter and more inviting, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Creating a sense of openness and space. One of the most noticeable comfort benefits of bay windows is the added depth they bring to a room. By extending beyond the exterior wall, bay windows create the feeling of extra space without a full renovation. For Washington homeowners, this added dimension helps living areas feel less cramped and more open, improving overall comfort and flow. Supporting more flexible furniture layouts. Traditional flat walls can limit furniture placement. Bay windows introduce a natural alcove that opens up new layout possibilities. In Washington living spaces, homeowners often use this area for seating, decor, or simply as open space that improves movement through the room, making daily living more comfortable. Enhancing views and connection to the outdoors. Bay windows provide wider, more panoramic views than standard windows. This visual connection to the outdoors helps rooms feel calmer and more balanced. For Washington residents, enjoying outdoor views from the comfort of their living space adds to relaxation and everyday enjoyment. Improving indoor comfort with better light distribution. Because bay windows let light in from multiple angles, they help reduce harsh shadows and uneven lighting. This balanced daylight improves visibility and comfort throughout the room. In Washington homes, well-lit living spaces feel more pleasant and usable throughout the day. Creating cozy and functional nooks. The extra space created by bay windows often becomes a favorite spot in the home. It can be used as a reading area, relaxation corner, or simply a place to enjoy quiet moments. For Washington homeowners, these cozy nooks add emotional comfort and functional value to everyday living. Modern performance enhances year-round comfort. Today's bay windows are designed with insulated glass and tight seals that help maintain indoor temperatures. This ensures added comfort without sacrificing energy efficiency. In Washington living spaces, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of bay windows without worrying about drafts or temperature imbalance. Reducing noise. For a quieter interior, bay windows with modern glass options help reduce outdoor noise, contributing to a more peaceful indoor environment. For Washington homes, quieter living spaces enhance comfort during daily activities and relaxation. Professional installation makes comfort last. To fully enjoy these comfort benefits, bay windows must be installed correctly. Proper installation ensures structural stability, tight ceiling, and smooth performance. For Washington homeowners, professional installation ensures bay windows enhance comfort for years to come. A comfort-driven upgrade for Washington homes. Bay windows improve daily comfort by increasing natural light, expanding usable space, enhancing views, and creating flexible living areas. Their combination of beauty and function makes them a valuable addition to any living space. For homeowners in Washington, bay windows are a smart upgrade that transforms everyday living into a brighter, more comfortable experience.